video, we will discuss how to take thyroid medicine in hypothyroidism. We are getting lots of query regarding the thyroid medication, how it should be taken and what should be the precautions. So for this medication, first thing is when you are purchasing, look for the manufacturing date and the expiry date. Purchase a very fresh medicine, like it should be within 6 to 9 months of manufacturing date. Also check for the medicine margins. There should not be any rough surface, there should not be any irregular margins of this medication. If it is there, then replace that bottle of thyroid medicine. Now secondly, how this medication should be taken. This medicine should be taken first thing in the morning, empty stomach, and there should be at least a gap of half an hour before taking breakfast or before taking any fluids. It should be taken with 1 or 2 sips of water only. Now, what if someone forget to take this medication in the morning? So it can be taken at bedtime also if someone forget to take in the morning hours. Now, these hypothyroidism patients are taking other medicines also like supplements, calcium or iron supplements. So very importantly, remember that the iron and calcium supplement decreases the absorption of thyroid medicine. So there should be at least a gap of 5 to 6 hours between thyroid medicine and supplements. During this time of COVID, many patients are taking vitamin C as well. Vitamin C increases the absorption of thyroid medication and can cause the symptoms of overdose. So very importantly, if someone is taking a vitamin C, get your thyroid function check on a regular basis. Now come to how frequently this thyroid check should be done. So in hypothyroidism, there is a test called TSH test. So whenever your doctor changes your medication, check this TSH after 2 months. Now there is one more question, whether one should take a medication on the day of thyroid check or one should skip the thyroid medication. So answer is it will not make any difference because this medication has a long duration of action. So if it is taken on the particular day or it is skipped on the day of the test, it will not make any difference. So these are the ways to take medications and precautions regarding the thyroid medicine. If you have any queries regarding this topic, you can contact us. Thank you.